Mangar Bani and sacred and virgin forest in entire Delhi NCR. It's situated on the tail of Aravali's. You can see wonderful wildlife here that includes from the complete food chain, like the topmost predator, leopard. Then we have scavenger, hyenas, rufous-tailed hare, Indian golden jackal, Indian rock python, and many species of snakes, lizards, and birds. We have counted at least 200 plus species of birds from this particular area, including the rarest of the rare, like Indian black eagle and red-headed vulture, Egyptian vulture, steppe seagull. So, and there's a group governed by some Mangar Eco Club, Sunil Harsana and Vinod Elawat. They are looking after this club, and many other scientific bodies are taking care of it, and some sponsors are also there. So they are trying to conserve this entire forest, and they are just making check dams kind of thing. So the whatever water falls during the rain, they just want to store it, conserve it, so that the native Aravali flora can grow up here. And there is a temple here, and these are the people who can be very well compared with the Bishnoi community of Rajasthan. They are also protected of the nature, protector of the nature, and as you all know that nature protects if protected. So they believe in that theory. And I have been visiting this area for almost a decade. It has fantastic diversity of native Aravali flora, including that Beautia monosperma, Dhaw and Dhak and Papadi. So many trees are there. I am not a man of botany, so I can't tell you about all those things. And moreover, we discovered an Indian pitta, a summer migrant breeding here. And we have documented then the both sides, the court side and bunny side. So these people, they respect nature and worship nature. They don't even cut any of the trees here. And you can see that people don't bring their vehicles here on this road, because they feel that if anything happens here and if some animal dies because of the accident, so they will feel bad and they will be cursed by the goddess called Gadariya Baba, whom they worship. All the three species of nightjars can be seen here: Indian jungle nightjar, large-tailed nightjar, and Savannah nightjar. So, and white-bellied drongos, they are the breeding residents. Small manivets, plum-headed parakeets are in abundance in this entire area. So I would suggest all those birders and all those who are, working towards the conservation of Mother Nature should visit this place. Thank you so much.